Boudoir is not something specific, a lingerie or a bikini shoot. Actually, to represent your sensuality. There are lot of boxes to check out if you want to come up in the fashion industry. Beauty is something that you cannot ever specify. If someone is very confident and powerful enough to call themselves beautiful, to just represent themselves as whatever they are. Even to that, I say that some of my friends not been okay with this. They have broken up friendships with me because of this. You have faced all that comment, all those comment where they say you're ugly, you're not pretty, you do not look good. जब मैंने अपनी first picture post की थी which was bold, and I was so nervous कि how people will respond, what will happen. Curvy model is also a model, a normal human being who have curves, who have the curves and who have the confidence to show it. The 60 to 70 percentage of the Indian women have this specific size. You need to start up gaining that. You need to reply and you need to stand up for yourself. आप थोड़ा weight कम कर लो. Excuse me, you have the skill of that camera to handle that camera. I have the skill to stand up in front of the camera and be your muse. Your brand, the Curvy Shine, I really, really adore it. How you are giving power to the curvy people. I really love it.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sujata Kapoor, host and anchor of the show Curvy Shine. दोस्तों, एक फैशन मॉडल के बहुत सारे रंग होते हैं, जिसमें से एक रंग है बोल्ड एंड बॉयडोर फैशन मॉडल. हालांकि ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही वेल रिनाउंड है फॉरेन कंट्रीज में, इंडिया में इतना नोन नहीं है. तो इसी टॉपिक पर आज हम लाइट डालेंगे और इस टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं एक जानी मानी शख्सियत, एक मशहूर फैशन मॉडल प्रियंका कल्याणा. सो नाउ वी वेलकम प्रियंका कल्याणा. तो हमारे बीच हैं प्रियंका कल्याणा, who's bold and boudoir. Priyanka, am I correct? It is boudoir or boudoir?
It's boudoir.
What's boudoir?
Actually, if I define what is boudoir, boudoir is not something specific, a lingerie or a bikini shoot. Because लोग इसे ऐसे ही मतलब अपने idea if you say the idea they get in head is like bikini या फिर यही होगा lingerie shoot, but it's not just that. It's actually to represent your sensuality. What I believe in is that a woman represent sensuality. When you just say woman, a woman comes up with sensuality, and I do not think a woman need to hide her sensuality in any manner. She just need to empower it, to make it more confident, to sound more confident with a lot of power.
So Priyanka, when did you decide कि मुझे I want to become a fashion model? Did you want to become a normal fashion model, and what's your journey for this bold and boudoir model?
If I start up with my journey, I started up in my college. In my college, I wanted to be a model. To be honest, I was not curvy earlier back then.
You were lean.
I was very lean, way too lean if you say. I was skinny back then. And because of that, I was way too lean. Still the fashion, if you say the darkish tone as well, just not being one spectrum, and here it is, there are lot of boxes to check out if you want to come up in the fashion industry. There are a lot of checklists, and then if you need to be this weight, you need to be this color, you need to be that, you need to be this and that, and I do not understand that checklist. Beauty does not come up in a specific box. Beauty is something which is there is no specified form of it. You can call anyone beautiful, as Someone has already said it, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
Exactly.
So I wanted to start up in my college, but because of my skin tone, or what to say, they have not selected me, they rejected me. I wanted to do in the college itself. Then I started up the job. After the lockdown, I started my journey as a model.
So prior to that, you were not into modeling.
I was not into
And
modeling
the
at all.
the key reason of your not being into modeling was your skin tone, because people were not very, you can say, positive about your skin tone.
Exactly, not about my skin tone. To be honest, not even about I had a very acne prone skin. I still have acne prone skin, but they were like, you have acne, you have a very wheatish skin, you're dark, we do not call you as beautiful.
Okay. So what is beauty according to you?
According to me, beauty is something that you cannot ever specify. If someone is very confident and powerful enough to call themselves beautiful, to just represent themselves as whatever they are. If someone comes up, if you take an example of a Bollywood actor, Ranveer Singh, he comes up and just shows up in a very vibrant color shirt, and he says that
Yes.
I look good in
Yes,
this,
yes.
I feel good in this, I'm this much loud, I'm this much this, but this is him. He's representing himself. That's beauty.
So being yourself is beauty.
Exactly.
Being confident in your skin is beauty.
Exactly.
So, in these days, many girls, they choose to be bold or boyd or model because they don't have that financial independence, or maybe that's a, you can say, good paying job for them. It's a quick money job for them. So, why did you choose to be a bold model?
It's never been the money part for me. I have a job as well. I work in MNC. I work as a team leader over there in HCL. So I do not, never, money never been the part for me. To other people, I feel sad for them that they have to choose because of this specifically. I chose this profession because that was my choice. That was what I wanted to do. That was really something in my heart. I do not want to be like 60 and think, oh, I didn't did that. Oh, I missed that. That I do not wanted to do. So that's why I chose this.
So how do you handle people response? Because in India, people are not so open to bold and voidor shoots. They don't even know the concept. So how do you handle the people's response, or maybe their reaction when they come to know about your
The bold side.
Oh, yes, yes,
The bold
the
side.
bold side.
To be honest, even as a person, I'm very bold. I like to talk about things which are not just specified in any box. I mean, I do not want to just show my happy good side. There is a dark side to me. There are some things which you might consider as not good, or someone else might not consider as good, but that's me. I'm not making someone else uncomfortable with that. I'm just being myself. You do not like it, you can just remove it. What I think is, you do not need to type a hate comment to target anyone. If you do not like it in your feed, if you just, there is an option, you can remove it from your feed.
Yes.
Why to just comment anything hate? And to be honest, if I say how I handle it, I do not respond to it. I delete it and I block the user if that's too offensive. If that's not offensive, I just delete the comment. Because if you, अगर there is a saying in Hindi कि आप जितना पत्थर मारोगे कीचड़ में आपके पास उछल के ही आएगा. तो आप जितना ज़्यादा उनसे कन्वर्सेशन करोगे कि भाई आप क्यों कर रहे हो, why you're doing this, why you're doing that, उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. They'll not respond in a good way. They'll not understand. They are sitting behind their mobile. If might, we can also say कि might be उनके पास भी कुछ frustration हो. They are some village people who do not have any jobs, who do not anything to do, and they are doing laborer jobs, and then they come up and they are just pointing out the whole day frustration on that specific post of yours.
Yes, yes.
So you just need to delete the comment. Do not think about it. You are doing good in your life. You're doing good in by yourself to your standards. That's all that matters. That's all that considered happiness to me.
And what about your family? Does your family support you, or they were against you? What was your journey with your family?
the modeling journey been a little with curves and if I say that's also been with the curves because I've not started like telling them in the beginning.
Okay.
I've hidden this because I think that इवन एज अ इंडियन माइंडसेट यू से आपके दिमाग में वो चीज़ ना आ जाती है कि दे विल नॉट अग्री टू इट
Yes, yes.
एज अ वेरी नॉर्मल बीइंग आई एम सेइंग इट
Yes.
आई कैन क्लियरली से इट कि बाहर तो नॉर्मल है ये है वो है बट एज अ person who's coming from 70s and 80s you cannot expect them to just be okay with it. You need to give them time. So in starting I've hidden it, then some of my relatives told them and they got to know, but to be honest that was very shocking. The response that response was very shocking to me. They were so supportive. To be honest, my father even joined me today on this talk show as well. They were being very supportive. They've asked the relatives, if you do not like it, do not tell her what to do. It's her life. Whatever she wants to do, she will do. She is doing good in her job as well. She is doing this as her choice, so that's up to her. We cannot limit or bound them. My mother being the most supportive, my brother being the most supportive, my father being the most supportive, and I do consider and do thank to God as well that
You have a very supportive family.
yes.
So what about those girls whose families are not supportive and they have a passion for this? They want to be a bold fashion model by choice, not under compulsion. Because there are many people who want to be a bold model just like you by choice, may not be by compulsion. So and their families are not supportive. So what is your message for those girls?
For those girl, I just want to say you do not need to be in this because you let your parents need to understand. You need to give them time. You cannot expect them to just be okay with it. Not even your partner, not even your parents, not even your siblings can be just okay with it. Even to that, I say that some of my friends not been okay with this. They have broken up friendships with me because of this. So how you can expect anyone else to expect to be this okay with this? But however, if you really still have the passion, if you say, and you want to come up in this, then you can come up. Just need to be strong and need to give your parents and family the time to be okay with this.
So now you must be, when you do shoots, you are comfortable in your skin, you are used to it, you have experience. But what was your first shoot like and what was your experience? What was your overall thought process? Did you feel nervous? Were you excited? Would you share it with the audience?
For sure, I would love to. The first shoot been very nervous. I was very nervous. That was my first time being in front of the camera, and that was not a complete bold shoot. It was a fashion shoot, but still it had the sensual side to it, and it was bold shoot according to my journey when I have not even done any single shoot, and then suddenly you come up in front of the camera and you have to do a shoot. It's very nervous, and you have faced all that all those comment where they say you're ugly, you're not pretty, you do not look good, and they someday calls you and say that you're very pretty enough to model for our page. That's a shock to you, and how you face it is just that you just need to be very strong in front of the camera. What I saw is that whenever I come up in the camera, in front of the camera, I'll be like completely a different person. My confidence comes up, I be very happy and positive. That's what I think that part of my life has given me. I was very nervous on that shoot. I was very nervous and anxious that how I'm looking in the camera. That was 24/7 in my mind कि कैसी लग रही हूँ, अच्छी लग रही हूँ या नहीं. Are they okay? They called me up as a model. Are they okay कि मैं सुंदर भी हूँ या नहीं? वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. But it was pretty good. I posted the picture. I still remember there were butterflies in my stomach जब मैंने अपनी first picture post की थी, which was bold, and I was so nervous कि how people will respond, what will happen, and वो होता है ना people pleasing वाली चीज़ आपके दिमाग में रहती है when you have not done it, and then the response was good. Everyone was supportive. Women being very supportive. That's what I think is very beautiful. When women be supportive of other women, that's very beautiful.
So, what is your journey from being a lean model to a curvy model? How do you define a curvy model? And there, in Indian context, there are many females who confuse between a curvy model and a plus size model. So, what is your take on that? And I also want, how do you? There are many women who try to hide their body weight, their body abnormalities behind this label of being a curvy model. So, what according to you is a curvy model?
According to me, a curvy model is also a model, a normal human being who have curves, who have the curves and who have the confidence to show it. As I am sitting over here, I am being a curvy person. As you are sitting over here, you are a curvy person, and we both are flaunting it. We both are just doing the best of ourselves.
True.
I do not understand what is abnormal about it. And if you see a normal Indian woman, that's the normal Indian woman size.
Yes.
Have you seen a normal Indian woman who has crossed her 20s or who's in her 30s who's that skinny? That can be, but a
Yes.
normal size.
Yes.
The 60 to 70 percentage
Yes.
of the Indian women have this specific size.
But then the peer pressure is so high, especially when you are in the glamour and the fashion industry. अरे बाबा पेट अंदर करो, तुम्हारा पेट कितना बाहर निकल गया है, और मतलब ये western dress suit नहीं कर रही है. If you want to really make big in the fashion industry,
True.
then you have to have that flat and lean figure, flat stomach, lean. In spite of the fact that women has so many challenges कि post pregnancy अगर उसका C-sec हुआ है, तो then the stomach might it is not easy to reduce tummy weight, and but people don't understand that, and even they go to the extent that they start judging you. Like in one of my previous interviews, I was discussing that they start calling you auntie. अरे इसी आंटी को सिखाते रहोगे क्या? इसी आंटी को ये आंटी का क्या scope है? Because
Exactly.
that Indian mentality is the model should be lean, beautiful. She might not be talented, but if the model is good looking, lean, thin, she is a model. But if you are curvy, she's not. She cannot be a model.
She cannot
So
be.
how did you react to such comments?
As I told you, I literally do not respond to comments like these, because to be honest, that's my body. If I can flaunt it, you are not able to flaunt your body. That's your point. That's your life. That's sad for you. But I am able to flaunt my body. That's my complete body. I cannot change. I do not want to change my body. I've been to shoots I understand complete all these points, because I've been to shoots where photographers ask me, अरे थोड़ा सा weight कम कर लोगे तो आपको अच्छे shoots
Because
आएंगे.
that is a starting
Why?
point. Like if you are new, you are trying your best, but somebody will poke you on
Exactly.
this, and you start losing confidence. And to the extent, sometimes to the extent that you feel that अच्छा यार मैं तो अच्छी दिखती नहीं हूँ. मुझे तो even I've been through that, because I used to be very lean, and then post pregnancy I put up so and there were many challenges, and then you start getting that feeling अरे मैं तो अच्छी दिखती नहीं हूँ तो मुझे मैं कैसे करूँ. You start losing on the confidence. That is a big challenge for Indian
Exactly.
women. So I think मेरे ख्याल से आप भी यही कह रहे हैं, और मेरा भी यही take है that we should be the self love thing.
The self love is very important. Nobody can give you that confidence. You need to start up gaining that. You need to reply, and you need to stand up for yourself. To those photographers, I might sound rude to the photographers,
I'm
but
completely
to
with
be
you on this.
very honest over here, how you can call someone with the weight of your own self? I've seen those photographers having this big tummy and asking me, आप थोड़ा weight कम कर लो. Excuse me, you have the skill of that camera to handle that camera. I have the skill to stand up in front of the camera and be your muse. So you cannot acknowledge it, then do not shimmer my, do not down up my shimmer, and do not ask me to be not me.
True.
My whole complete profile, if you see, I just say that this is my body and these are my curves. This is me. If you can accept it, okay. If you cannot, Completely fine. I do understand. You can go out from the profile. You do not call me up for the shoot. You just need to be that confident. You need to understand and need to stand up for yourself. अगर आप आज अपनी बॉडी में हैप्पी नहीं हो, आई डू अंडरस्टैंड पीपल हु से दैट यू नीड टू डू डेली जिम, you need to look up for your body, or you cannot be, there is a difference between obese and there is a difference between being a curvy person.
Yes, true. That is what my point
A
was.
very big difference over here. You cannot ask anyone to just be not curved. To be honest, when I was lean, I always wanted the curves. So this is my specific preference body that I wanted. I wanted the curves. I do not care. I do give a hell to those who say that you need to lose weight. Why? That's my preference body. I love it.
Oh, that's the spirit. So, how do you define fashion, style? Do you think style is something which is inborn or it can be developed over a period of time?
To be honest, yes. You cannot just say that fashion comes up to you very naturally, just like this. If I see my journey as in fashion, I have seen myself dressing up very not nice, and then now I see I can come up with any outfit and I can look good. So it comes up with, by age, it grows with experience, as you see that okay, this looks good on me. And also to be accepting yourself, accepting your body type. You cannot just say that I only want to wear loose t-shirt to hide my curves. You need to understand that this is my body type and this specific dress will look good on me and this will not look good on me. True. So that also comes up with accepting yourself and also by the experience.
So any message to the youth, the young girls who aspire to be in the fashion industry, who want to make big in the fashion industry, what message do you want to give them?
The message to those girls, I just want to say, if you are coming up in the industry, be strong with your mental health, be confident that you want to do this. A person who's not strong with the mental health will not be okay with this, because when you come up in the fame, when you have that fame, of course there will be the negative side. For sure there will be the negative side. You need to be very strong to handle that. You cannot just say कि मैं इन चीज़ों को कहीं छुपा लूँगी या मेरे घर वाले नहीं देखेंगे. Anyone can see it. Even for the fashion models as well. For anyone you can say. It might can be, there are people who say that fashion modeling is itself wrong.
True.
Right? So you need to be very mentally strong and very confident that I want to do this. And you need to understand your parents, your family, your partners, that that's what I wanted to do, that's my passion and I really want to do this.
So Priyanka, it's been an honor to have you here, and I think many curvy models after hearing this interview will gain a lot of confidence because we've talked about this issue which keeps on bothering the average Indian females. So the most important thing is self-love and having confidence in your skin. So you have to be confident in your skin to make it big in the world.
For sure. Thank you so much for calling me up on the show. It's been a great pleasure. And your brand, The Curvy Shine, I really adore it. How you are giving power to the curvy people. I really love it. Thank you so much, Curvy Shine.
This is a token of love and affection from Curvy Shine. Priyanka, this is for you.
Thank you so much. This is such a pretty gift. Let me
I want you to open it and see in front of us. And I want to notice your reaction to the gift.
I love gifts. I'm a very gift person. So thank you so much, Curvy Shine, again for calling me up on the interview and then giving me the gift. Oh, thank you so much. This is such a pretty gift. Thank you so much. This is very pretty. I'll frame it up in my room.
Yeah, sure, you have to, and that is also our desire, that you frame it on your
This I will open at home.
Sure.
To keep up as a memory from you guys.
Okay,
Thank you so much.